Welcome to Codebooks Academy, where learning meets innovation. Dive into the world of software development and accounting with tutorials that bring subjects to life. Whether you're a budding developer, an aspiring leader, or a finance enthusiast, our tutorials are crafted to enlighten, empower, and entertain. With Codebooks Academy, you're not just learning, you're embarking on a journey of discover. Let's get started. Choosing the right database and programming language for software that handles high-volume transactions and payment integration is no small task. It's the essence, the pulsating core of performance, security, and scalability. Thus, the question arises, what are some best practices and considerations one should keep in mind when making such a momentous decision? Let's delve deeper. Firstly, and most importantly, it's crucial to understand your requirements. This is the foundation upon which every other element is built upon. How high is your peak transaction volume? This will determine the bandwidth your software needs to be able to handle. Keep in mind that choosing language or database insufficient to handle high transactional volume can lead to a system failure, thus potentially causing a loss of client trust and revenue. The second question to ponder upon, what level of data consistency do you require? Data consistency is a fundamental attribute of a robust system. The answer to this question will guide your database selection.
Continuous Learning. Codebooks Academy. Thank you for watching.